When I first heard the word superbugs when I was growing up, I used to think of an insect in a cape that was off to go save the world. But when I learned about it in science classes, I learned that superbugs are actually bacterial infections that can't be treated by antibiotics. This phenomenon is called antimicrobial resistance, or AMR. And if you think about it, it's a pretty scary concept. Recently, more than 1 million deaths were caused by bacterial resistance in a single year. So, if we get infections and the medicines designed to treat them aren't working anymore, what do we do?
Can't just solve big problems in infectious disease like AMR by just tackling the biomedical clinical aspects of it. You really have to bring in all of society. And the only way to do that is to actually engage those scholars and those communities and those individuals who are associated with it. And that's really what Nexus is trying to do. It's really trying to bring those people in together, to communicate, to work together, to collaborate, and develop new strategies to move forward. Because otherwise, we're not going to be able to solve these big problems.
We spend just about all our time studying new approaches to the discovery of new antibiotics. The promise, of course, with Nexus is to get folks, really thinking about what sort of government policies and interventions we need to encourage investment in R&D. How do we make sure that the antibiotics we have are extended for their utility and lifespan?
I guess historically at McMaster, there's been a really strong basic science component dealing with many different aspects of antimicrobial research, and there's been a lot of success with that. I think Global Nexus allows us to take that to the next level in that we're bringing together not only the scientists, but also all of the other partners that are necessary to really begin to address a lot of the societal issues that feed into the antimicrobial resistance problem.
No one person can tackle antimicrobial resistance, and as it starts to rise, we need to act fast.